We are Karl and Katty. Together, we are Nowhere Bound Touring. We've been adventuring for over 2 years now around Australia in our truck and our caravan. Sharing our full-time life on the road, we take you to some interesting and unique locations, along with sharing tips and tricks of how to make caravan life that little bit easier.
This morning we are heading off to the Top Moffat Campground. So it's a four-wheel drive track, about 15 k's. I got no idea what's up here or anything like that, but we thought we'd just go up and have a look and check it out. And the weather is looking poor. Like it's gonna rain. We had a little bit of rain last night, but today it doesn't look good at all. And if it does rain properly, we are really stuck. Like really stuck. Because that 100 and whatever it was, 50k of dirt road in was just all clay. So if it really does rain, well, we'll have an extended stay. First gear maybe. You're filming me again. You're incredible.
I couldn't help it. You were doing the bobblehead thing like the bobbleheads.
Oh, that goes to the homestead. It's a shame. It's gated it off.
Lovely.
Wow, there's a lot of water in the creek.
Zero.
No, there is water.
Really?
Yeah.
Pretty.
Reasonably deep. This is a nice campsite. Be great if it's stinking hot in summer and you want it for a swim, or if you've got kids, sort of away from everything. It's nice.
You'd probably even see some platypus.
Yeah, maybe.
Lucky, yeah. And I heard a critter.
Yeah, what was that?
I don't know.
It was just here. Anyway, drop bears. Going to attack us.
More like a slithery stick.
Slithery stick up a tree.
Oh.
tree climbing snake.
I thought it was in the grass.
Very peaceful. Wouldn't be too windy, you wouldn't think either.
It seems to go over the top.
Yeah. It's a naturally flat area.
Home, James. We picked the not popular one. Yay!
Is it the same creek?
Yeah. Well, we're on our way out.
G'day everyone. I thought I'd show you what I'm doing today. I am fixing the van. After our little winching expedition, when we got stuck and bogged up in the bush, we've done a little bit of damage. So today is fix the van day. I'll show you what happened. While we were backing through the bush, we ripped off our grey water discharge or hose, and also our washing machine one. They're in a poor spot anyway. They always get caught on stuff when we go under the bank, over banks and that sort of thing on the back of the van. So I'm just going to move them back a little bit. I won't have all the bits to fix it completely, but they'll be good enough for now. You can see the scrape marks and so on where we ran over a few trees and into an embankment and a few things like that. So today's job is fix them. But for now, on with fixing the van. And we've still got our compressor. It's been working great. Oh no, I didn't drain the grey water, did I?
Oh no.
Jeez. I think I need to sharpen my drill bit. It's a bit blunt. All redone, and back a little bit further from the end. This is the site of some old mining equipment. They used to crush and sort gravel or rocks here apparently at one stage. So this is all that's left of their crushing and sorting plant for the gravel and rocks. And hell lots of mozzies.
So, we're camped by this beautiful little spot, and it appears that we may end up needing to move. Ay, ay, ay. My thongs are gonna fly away.
Another sunny day. And you think we just show you sunny days, which is true, because yesterday it was pouring So much that we couldn't get out of the van, literally, and the mozzies. But we didn't show you that either. But anyway, we're on our way up the road from the Maryanne, where we're staying at that lagoon, to a spot that they call the native wells. And apparently the aboriginals of the area carved these rock holes out of rock.
Yep.
They weren't there, and they used to drink, I assume, when they're passing or if they're in the area. So we'll go and check them out and see what they're like.
It would be interesting to see if they're similar to the ones that we saw in WA.
Yeah, don't know. We'll see.
Yeah.
Anyway.
The native wells. At this site, 13 kilometres from the place of the water lilies, Yellaba is the native wells, one of many sites of significant Indigenous cultural heritage in the Maryanne region. Indigenous groups have been caring for country for millennia. Among the many and varied Aboriginal groups are the Mandanji, who are the fishing net tribe, and I apologise for getting that wrong, and the traditional owners of the vast tract of country east and west of the Caravan highway. The Mandanji continue to keep their cultural heritage alive by passing on knowledge from one generation to the next and by protecting sacred and significant sites and objects. They have fought to maintain, build and at times re-establish connection to this region when displacement occurred.
Look at this one's got hundreds of little... Oh, I don't think you can see them. They can't see them. Hundreds of little bugs in it. Not wrigglers. There's something else. Some swimming bug.
Hopefully we don't get bogged. Too easy. Wow, we did get a lot of rain yesterday.
It just floods so quick, doesn't it, here?
It does,
It's just amazing
yeah.
compared to Vic.
And that's why I said we should prepare to leave last night, just in case, when we were so close to the lagoon. After a miserable day yesterday, today we have a glorious day.
David Attenborough, get your heart out.
He's all serious now.
I don't know what was I going to say? Camel!
No. Don't try and trick me.
Cattle? No, it looks
Cattle. Yeah.
pretty separated.
Yeah.
Does a camel have toes? No, a camel.
Camel toe, huh? You know they do.
You'll feel me.
Yeah.
Tricky. You were acting innocent then, weren't you?
No.
No?
I was just actually being lazy. It's pretty deep. Oh, that's cold. Oh. Okay.
So if I pee up here,
It'll go.
it'll go all the way down into the drinking water. Your mic still off? Oh,
No,
do you want to hop on the back?
no, it's freezing.
Do you want to drive? No, I'll hop on the back.
No, it's too freezing.
Knock the camera over. 2 seconds. Filming to start again. We just have to use no volume with this. Katty, are you listening? No volume.
I should.
Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe. If you want a reminder, hit the bell. And remember, we always love a thumbs up. If you'd like to be more involved, check out our Patreon page or our website